Let's get a closer look at this fantastic limited edition. Welcome back to the channel for Right Time Watches here in Denver, Colorado. Mido is such an impressive brand in that they offer incredible value, giving high quality timepieces at attainable price points. And this limited edition is so unique and exciting that I think it adds even more. Before we dig into its details, we'll invite you to subscribe to the channel so you catch all of our upcoming videos. This watch is 40.5 millimeters in diameter with a 47 millimeter lug-to-lug distance. It's 13.7 millimeters thick and powered by an ETA Powermatic 80 variant. The Oceanstar Tribute series from Mido is one of my favorites from the brand. It's a very vintage-inspired and beautiful diver. This one is an amazing GMT limited edition produced originally for Hodinkee. These have been sold out for a little while, but we do have one still in our shop, and I wanted to let you know that it's available by doing a quick highlight video. As I mentioned previously, this Oceanstar Tribute series is truly fantastic, and this one takes it to a new level by adding a GMT complication and a matching beautiful 24-hour bezel. Stylistically, there's a lot to love about this version of the Oceanstar, and functionally speaking, it's also quite impressive. I do have to tip my hat at Mido and Hodinkee for this collaboration. If you're spending money on a limited edition, you do want to get something special, and they really answered the call for that. This box set has an amazing Milanese bracelet, as well as an additional leather and canvas strap. Visually speaking, they did a wonderful job with this watch, with the slightly off-white indices, ring, and numerals on the 24-hour bezel, paired beautifully with that high-domed sapphire crystal. You do get that vintage look. The 24-hour bezel is a bi-directional bezel for use tracking an additional time zone and feels very high quality. The metal finishing is top-notch with a beautiful satin finish on most surfaces and some small polished notes throughout to make it look a little bit more luxurious. This watch does have a screw-down crown to aid with water resistance and protecting that crown and stem. You set the watch in normal fashion with this one, but it does also have a traveler GMT functionality, meaning in the first position you can set that hour hand independently without hacking the movement, so you can change the time on the go. I always love a good mesh bracelet, and this one feels very well made. This one does have that smaller profile clasp on the underside, which is very easy to use. Adjusting the length is quite simple, and once you have it to your liking, you just flip this clasp over, close it, and it's secure. For a mesh bracelet, this is also very comfortable on that underside. Beneath this sealed case back, we have that Caliber 80 variant, leaving an 80-hour power reserve along with that Traveler GMT functionality. The watch does have pretty decent lume. Between the lume pip on the 24-hour bezel and that diamond at 12 o'clock, it's quite easy to tell the time at night. At 40.5 millimeters, this watch will be almost universally wearable. Here it is on my 8-inch wrist, and you can see that it looks great, but with that shorter lug-to-lug, it will work well for many others also. At $1,390 US, this watch is some really great value. With the limited edition status, as well as the overall beautiful styling and functionality, I think this is a can't miss. We have one left. Give us a shout. There is really nothing to complain about here with this particular timepiece. It's very attractive, it's got great modern sizing, and the value for dollar is definitely there. If you'd like to purchase this watch, please reach out to us directly, as this is our last of the limited edition run. If you'd like to purchase any of our other watches, please visit us online at righttime.com or give us a call. We're always happy to help. As always, thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next time at Right Time.